Today I'm going to demonstrate the stamp game. The stamp game is a material used in E1, sometimes in E2 a little bit. It's a material that uses all four operations, so addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Typically children in first grade will get a preview of the stamp game, but it's used most extensively in second grade and third grade to work through math problems. Today I want to show you a division problem. For example, 7,362 divided by 3. First thing that I would talk about with the student is the skittle. Looks like a pawn. It's used to represent how many shares each person would get. For example, in this problem we have three shares, or 3 people to represent. So because this is a unit pawn, I would need 3 of them. I also need to set out the total amount that I'm sharing, which is 7,362. Some teachers might demonstrate the stamp game with the stamps all in one straight row. I like to show 2 rows so that the students recognize odd and even numbers. So to begin the division problem, we need to give each skittle an equal amount. So we'll start with the thousands, which is the highest place value. So we have 1,000, 2,000, and we have 1,000 left over, so we can't equally share it. What we can do is exchange it for 10 100 stamps. And then I'll move over my other hundreds I had. 100, 200, 300, 400, again 1 left over. And again I've got 1 left over. This problem I don't have any remainder. I've used all the stamps now. It's important to stress to the student when you get to this point that you don't want to know the total number of stamps out. We already know that it's 7,362, but because we're dividing by 3 equal parts, we want to know how much just one of the skittles receives. So 1 skittle receives 2,454, and that's the number that we'll record in their notebook. And there's the answer. Now you've seen a demonstration of the stamp game.